the way the kids see theatre isn't like how adults or young people see theatre. To them, this is reality. To the point where they'll come up to me at the end of the show and be like, is he really your dad? We don't pretend it's not something very dangerous and something very scary, and also something that parents think about a lot. The idea that my child is going to be going out onto the road on their own, and I want to make sure that they're safe and they know.
We were on our way to do a gig like this.
Yeah.
And in front of us, 7 or 8 school kids all just...
Fox Clever do a wonderful job including the audience. I actually had a lesson with the Year 10 students just after they'd watched the performance as well, and we were able to talk about it in the classroom setting as well. The response was overwhelmingly positive.
I think the students can get a lot out of this. They can be scared, they can have fun, but also hearing Dickens' language off the page. It's very funny, and it's very funny for us, and it's very funny for the audience.
We have been able to ram in all of the most important themes, all of the most important emotions, even to the current audiences.
New choreography, new set pieces, and new ways to engage with young audiences.
It touches on those very serious themes, but the best thing is that we make it exciting. It just gets people excited, and it gets people excited about what theatre can be, which is live, in your face, which we bring to schools, as opposed to you having to go out and find it.
There's something so magical about students engaging with professional actors. They have a genuine input and impact on the final piece.
And seeing them get up and get to be creative alongside us as well is just, it's really rewarding.
The whole point of this play is just accept everyone for who they are.
Bullying is timeless. What can we do about it? Give that to young audiences at that time of their life. Who knows what impacts that might have.